everything else, like, why am I still being charged?
Because life's a bitch.
Oh, that's a good answer.
T. Next,
See, Jojo.
Red X. State your name.
Alexander Washington.
Mr. Washington, before the court are disorderly intoxication, trespass, theft, and resisting officer without violence. You understand those charges?
Yes, sir. Trespassing.
I understand you've been given copies of paperwork and advised of your rights. Is that true?
Sir, I have no knowledge. I don't even know I'm trespassed from a place that I was paid to get into.
Okay, but once the Golden Nugget asks you to leave, you got to leave.
I'm sorry, sir. They didn't.
Just because
I'm
you say
sorry.
to get in, you can stay there forever.
No, I was actually leaving. I just got into an altercation with one of my family members.
Well, I'm just saying. That's,
Yes,
that's
sir.
where it was.
Oh, yes, sir. I mean, I didn't know they wanted.
All right. Based on your application, you don't want a public defender. Is that the case?
I didn't say that either. I don't know where they got that from. Sir, I'm sorry. I take medicine, so at the time I was dealing with a lot. So I was good.
You did initial
don't-
next to, I'm not seeking a public defender. You don't remember
Excuse me,
that?
Sir, I have bad remember. I'm schizophrenic. I don't remember stuff. I got mental issues. I'm
Okay.
sorry.
All
I
right.
go to life management. I'm, you know what I'm saying? I don't even know what happened last night. So.
Okay. Deputy criminal history.
18 resisting with couple of VOPs through 19, 17 domestic improper exhibition of a firearm. Got some domestics, obstruction, carrying and conceal. 15. It goes back to 9 locally.
Would you like to tell me?
All right, first of all, that with that firearm thing, that happened to be a friend they was with.
Okay, that's
But,
neither here nor there.
He actually supposed to be leaving last night. And
I was leaving. My family got into it with me outside, and my money is gone. I came here with no money.
Don't you be drinking?
He drinking exactly.
Yeah, but my medicine was at home. I'm dealing with stuff. I'm sorry. I just broke up my girl. My uncle's favorite uncle died a week ago. My daughter is not around. I'm going through mental issues right now. My schizophrenia.
It's the old joke. Yeah. But we're here. Because he was drinking.
Yeah. I should have went excuse my language. I should have went home. I was going home. It was like 3 o'clock in the morning. They just wanted to stop and argue. It was the same officer who stopped me earlier that brought me to jail. I actually thought he was gonna let me go home to my medicine. But
And then still,
Drinking.
yeah, if he was leaving, that wouldn't have happened.
Right. Yeah. I mean, but I mean, you.
I walked there, so
All
I
right.
didn't have no.
Well, yeah. Supposed to be. Not supposed to be drinking. Okay. Supposed to be on his meds. Not supposed to be drinking. Not supposed to be left behind. Right? Okay. All right. All right. On the disorderly conduct on 500, trespass is 1,000, the theft is 1,000, and the resisting is 1,000. The truth of the matter is, all this can get taken care of if we can just get him on his meds.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think about regular.
All right. Court date's gonna be May 5th. That's Friday at 8:30. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Don't come out possessed of consumer alcohol.
Hey, Phil.
No, April 5th, Friday. This Friday. No alcohol. All right.
Next. Red X. Red X. Red X. State your name.
Shirley is
Ma'am, before the court on violation of probation for was originally leaving the scene of an accident involving death. You understand that, ma'am?
I understand.
Been held without bond. Your court date's gonna be May 15th at 9 o'clock. Good luck.
When 4 days till what? I didn't understand.
Your court date's May 15th.
I have a court date on the 9th for
For your new
the same charge.
Not for the same charge.
Okay. Judge, I've seen you before, I think, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. He has trying to set me up for major failure. I wasn't even there.
Okay. Well, we'll
Can
sort
we
all
do
that out later.
it later?
We're gonna sort all that out later. Right now, the problem is you're on probation for leaving the scene of an accident involving death.
Yes, I've done that time. All I do is I used to play.
You're still on probation for it. You're still supposed to do that time.
Okay, well, he has my debit card, my phone, everything that I was
Okay.
going to pay you with. And then he did this. He stole my debit card, stole my phone, and he called. I think he even beat himself up because I didn't do it. It's just, I wasn't even there.
Okay. Well, again, we'll sort all that out later.
Just have bond
I gave you a
on
bond.
my. I have a bond on another charge. The same
Right.
thing.
Yeah, you got a bond on the other charge.
Yeah. Can I have one on this
No.
one? Thank you, sir.
Next. Red Exa. State your name.
Mr. Griggs, before the court for trespass at the Golden Nugget. You understand that, sir?
Yeah.
We had a run. There was a run of things at the Golden Nugget last night. Horrible. They were kicking people out left and right. What was going on? Were y'all not tipping? Come on, man. You got to tip. All right, bro. I understand you've been given copies of paperwork and advised of your rights. Is that true?
Got a copy of your paperwork. Were you advised of your rights today?
Yeah, what y'all say?
Were you advised of your rights today and given a copy of your paperwork?
Based on your application, I find that you do qualify for the service of the public defender's office. I'm going to go ahead and appoint the public defender to represent you. So you have an attorney now. Any question about that? Deputy, criminal history?
You have Ohio and Tennessee, but nothing since 17, and that was a criminal mischief and domestic with a DUI in 16.
What brings you down here from Murfreesboro?
Just to come see my mama. She retired and bought a home here, and I'm just coming down here to try to look out for her for about a week.
Well, why the hell are you at the Nugget?
I'm tired of being in the house and looking at the walls. I want to get out and
Yeah, the walls are better looking than what's at the Nugget, though. Come on, man. Golly, Moses. Yeah, she is not in school, man. She's not trying to stay in school. I don't know what she told you, but she is not up there dancing for tuition. Okay, bro. You gonna be in court Friday?
yeah.
You know all the
Yeah.
guys on the back row were boyfriends, right?
Oh.
It's all starting to make sense now, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I'm going to release you on your unrecognizance. Show up in court Friday,
Yes, sir.
April the 5th at 8:30. Don't go back to the
All right.
Nugget. That's just good advice. Don't go back to the Nugget.
Wait. Step to your right to the T. When that green light comes on, son. Next. Red X. Face the TV, state your name.
Sir, you're fully court on a false ID to a law enforcement agency. Do you understand that charge?
I don't understand if it's a misdemeanor or what.
It's a misdemeanor.
Okay.
It's basically like
I also wanted to,
resisting.
sir, I also wanted to tell you this social security number on here that they're putting on here is not. I told them my correct social security number. You put the wrong thing on here though.
Okay, well, I mean, here's the bigger problem for you. They got a warrant for you from out of state, right?
Oh yeah, they're not coming to get me.
Okay, good.
I've already been arrested 3 times on it, sir.
I'd get it cleared up so I wouldn't keep getting arrested on it.
I can't. They get the first time they arrested me, they gave my identification away to some girl, which is I thought was illegal to give somebody's identification away. If it's not their family member, you're giving it to.
So
They
you're
gave
not
my
on
whole
parole-
wallet and everything away.
Are you not on parole violation?
Yes, I'm on parole violation. That's what I'm saying. I can't even get back
But
to
Arkansas-
Arkansas. Cut.
Arkansas not
I
gonna
can't
get
get
you.
back. No, sir, they will not because I've already been arrested twice
Good.
in Mobile. Mobile's held me 21 days 2 times, and then Baldwin County held me one time for 7 days, and they didn't come any of the times. They didn't even respond to them.
All right. Well, I'm gonna set a monetary bond of $1,000 on your new charge. Your court date's April 5th at 8:30.
All right, yes, sir.
Step to your right to the T.
Good morning. Good afternoon.
State your name, sir.
Bishop Poe.
Mr. Poe, you're fully court charged.
Sir?
Delivery or sale of marijuana and paraphernalia. Do you understand those charges?
Yes, sir.
I understand you've been given copies of paperwork and advised of your rights. Is that true?
Yes, sir. Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
All right, if I had a co-defendant that told the investigator and all the other officers, like he admitted to the marijuana being his and everything else, like why am I still being charged?
Because life's a bitch.
Oh, that's a good answer.
Because
But I was-
they sort it all out later, bro.
All right, I was asking.
I know this is gonna be hard for you to believe, but sometimes people don't stick to the same story. So sometimes they just charge the whole group and let everything sort out by itself.
All right,
I
well,
wasn't there, but I'm just saying, sometimes when we lay down with dogs, we wake up with fleas.
it's in a report, like everyone got searched.
Okay,
and-
that's good. That's good for you. But also, why were you there if you knew that all this stuff was going on?
I was on vacation. I literally just made it down here. I wasn't even here 10 minutes, sir.
Okay, well, I mean, well, you know what they say, come on vacation, leave on probation, return on violation.
No, don't do me like that. I was asking, could I leave on ROR, come back for court, and leave on probation and never come again?
We'll see. Let's see what that lovely lady to your left says. Miss Fanbro, criminal
It's
history?
much. It's out of Georgia.
Miss-
Well, you're
Miss-
entitled to the bond.
Oh yeah, I'll give you a bond.
Can I get up?
All right, on the possession with intent to sell or distribute marijuana, bond is 5,000. On the paraphernalia, it's 1,000. Random UAs is directed by court. Court date is going to be May the 6th at 9 o'clock. Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
Step to your right to the T.
You write that for me.
You about to get it. Step to your right to the T.
All right, I'm sorry.
When the green light comes on, sign. State your name. You're fine. You're good.
Bellamy, court charge sell or delivery of marijuana and paraphernalia. Do you understand those charges?
Yes, sir.
I understand you've been given copies of paperwork and advised of your rights. That's true.
Yes, sir.
Based on your application, finds you do qualify for the service of the public defender's office. I'm going to go ahead and appoint the public defender to represent you. Any question about that?
No, sir.
Deputy criminal history on Mr. Bellamy.
Georgia, controlled substance, sale, manufacture marijuana 24, controlled substance, marijuana 21, and a resisting. That's it.
Mr. Bellamy, are you the one that took credit for everything? Never mind. I'm not going to. Don't worry about it.
No,
Don't
sir.
worry.
I ain't.
No, you're
Don't do
good.
it. Don't just leave it alone.
You bonds 5,000 on the delivery of marijuana or sell or delivery of marijuana, 1,000 on the paraphernalia, random UAs. Your court date's going to be May 6th at 9 o'clock. Good luck, sir.
Sir, could I ask to get R&R? Could I ask you to get R&R, sir?
You just did.
May you bless me with it, sir?
No. No, you got drug charges in Georgia. You come down here with drugs, allegedly.
All right, sign where that green light is. Next. FedEx, sir. State your name.
Mr. Fountain, you fully court charged possession of a firearm during commission of a felony, possession of paraphernalia, and sale, manufacture, delivery of marijuana. Do you understand those charges?
Yes, sir.
I understand you've been given copies of paperwork and advised of your rights. Is that true?
Yes,
Hold
sir.
on.
You make too much money for a public defender, but the law recognizes your financial situation may change, in which case you can reapply. You also have the option of hiring your own attorney to represent yourself. Any questions about this?
No, sir.
Deputy, criminal history,
Just a DWLSR.
25,000 on the firearm, 1,000 paraphernalia, 5,000 on the marijuana with intent, random UAs, no firearms.
Court date.
May 6th at 9 o'clock, like everybody else in the car.
Don't do that. Step on the T.
A whole carload. Let's get the last one in here so we can get this over with.
See, why you doing that? Why you gave him a March 16th court date?
I don't know.
And I knew I heard it earlier.
Was it
It's on
March
25. What is the actual court date?
May 6th.
What is it, May 6th?
Well, hold on. One of them's got a Christian.
Yes.
Yes, sir. You gave me March 16.
He got a
24.
different. He got March 16th.
Okay, so what's the
Yes.
problem with that?
It's April.
Well, it sure says March on it. Here.
It sure does, yeah.
It says March. It says March on the paperwork. It's a long time. Well, no, that's backwards. So what date is it going to be? I bet it's going to be May 6th.
5/6, I believe it'll be the 5/6.
I bet it'll be 5/6, don't you? But it's sure enough written down here.
Yeah, it's May 6th.
Let's call it May 6th. Since everybody else is.
Go ahead and sign. Okay, sign it again, just to make it go out. You're good to go.
Can I ask you something? Or no?
He can hear you.
Excuse me, sir, Your Honor. I don't know if I heard you right, but did you, say I had a delivery charge on my stuff? It's not on.
Sale, manufacturer,
It's
delivery.
possession.
Just a sale.
It's possession with sale or delivery. So it's probably, truthfully, it's probably just more than 20 grams of marijuana. It's probably what it is, but yeah, they charge you all with the same thing.
I got another question. Do you know how that works? They charge all of us with the same thing, but we all owned up to what we had.
It's gotta play out to the court system.
All right, makes sense.
All right, next. FedEx, sir, state your name.
Elijah Battle.
Mr. Battle, you fully court charge possession with intent to sell or distribute marijuana, paraphernalia, and then you've got possession of a harmful inhalant. What are they talking about? A whippet. Jesus. Yeah, kids are still doing whippets. Oh my gosh. And it's a whippet's a felony? Oh my God. Woo. All right, buddy. I understand you've been given copies of paperwork and advised of your rights. Based on your application, you make too much money. You don't want a public defender. You don't even want a public defender?
I have a family attorney.
Okay, good. Are they licensed to practice in Florida?
I'm not sure. It's just I know I have a family attorney, and that's who I was.
Okay. All right. You can apply later if you want a public defender, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. Deputy, criminal history, Mr. Battle?
Sale of marijuana 23, DWLSR times 3, and a FTA 23. 20
Fine.
reckless. Oh,
I
go
don't
ahead.
know. I'm good. 5,000 for
Why you ask
marijuana.
me?
I'm trying to stay on target here because I don't want to jam up Mr. Battle for. I've been pretty consistent on these. 5,000 the marijuana, 1,000 the paraphernalia, and 1,000 the whip it. That is a ridiculous felony charge. Court date's going to be May 6th at 9 o'clock with random UAs.
Step to your right to the T. He can hear you.
Your Honor,
Yeah.
so that's what I was gonna get to. You said the whip it. So they sell those legally in stores.
Oh yeah. If you use them legally, they're fine. If you use them to
No,
inhale, they're not.
And so how
Are you
how
gonna,
could that be?
let me ask you a question. Did
Okay.
you have whipped cream in there with you?
No, I had just bought it and I bought it as it is. I'm sorry, what was that?
You didn't have whipping cream in the car?
No, sir, we were at Walmart.
Okay. All right. Good luck, buddy. I treated it like it was worth. Don't worry. It's not going to
Next.
cost much in the end.
Red Exa, state your name.